Hi, everyone. This is Allan Roberts here, and this is another episode of the Retire Younger podcast. Welcome back to this episode. And in this episode, we're going to talk about black hat methods for using TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, social or Facebook, YouTube, those type of platforms to broaden our reach and to get more customers and clients into our funnel so that we can reach them with our messaging here on social media. So if you're interested in that and you want to build a business here and generate more cash flow, then this is a very important message for you. Now, this channel is solely focused on building cash flow income. So these are residual type incomes that come in monthly and will allow you to replace your 9 to 5 or retire younger, as we call it here, because I wrote the book Retire Younger. Then continue watching this information, because this is all I provide here on this channel is how to get cash flows, how to use money to make more money, those type of things, so that you can retire younger. You don't have to worry about your 9 to 5 to give you an income. We also give you other strategies and to protect you, to give you tax advantages and things like that. So that being said, let's talk about the black hat method for using TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, you name it, Pinterest, those type of things. So to do that, we're going to use bots. And so bots can be black hat in the fact that we're using tools to go out and interact with these platforms. And it's against a lot of terms of services, so that's why we call it black hat. And so just use these things for at your own risk. And this information is for educational purposes only. So if your account gets terminated, don't come back and sue me. All right. Again, I just want to warn you that this information could get your account banned, depending if you use it vigorously or not. If you use it in a moderate way, this information can definitely grow your network and get you more, expand your network, get you more people into your funnel, grow your business, and achieve what you want to achieve. Now, before I get started, I want you to subscribe to this channel, because this is what we talk about on this channel all the time. And if you're interested in this topic. Also, I have a mini course on my website at gallanroberts.com. You go there and you click on the first link, and we'll take you to my mini course and allow you to download my list of 100 affiliate programs, which I'll talk about later in this program. But right now, let's talk about the other things I offer here at gallanroberts.com. I wrote a book called Retire Younger in 2016. It is geared towards investors who have cash to invest. So these investors are people that have 1031 exchanges that need to move their money into another investment, self-directed IRAs that have hosted their money through a IRA custodian and are looking for investments. So we have high yield investments for them to invest in, and they usually need a third party to do this transaction because of the restrictions of a self-directed IRA. REI investors are people that have pooled their money into a hedge fund and are looking for investments in real estate to put their money into. We offer high yield investments and offer them to invest as a third party. High income earners, these are people that make 6 figures or more per year and are looking to have their money work for them. Therefore, we have investments with those investors. We offer stable, high yield investments with long-term investments and short-term transactional investments as well. We usually invest in single-family residence and or we do business acquisitions that have high cash flows and can be purchased at a discount, giving you high yields. Therefore, there's 3.5 million businesses up for sale right now. So if you're interested in getting or investing in businesses, we provide that platform for you to do. All right. So to get in touch with me, just go to gianroberts.com, click discovery call button, and schedule a discovery call. I'd like to talk to you and to see how we can work together. Also, looking for people in all 50 of the United States and all 50 United States, all 50 states of the United States. I don't know if that makes any sense. Anyways, I'm looking for people like you who have a heart to work with people in the senior industry. So if you are interested in helping seniors find a place for assisted living and want to have that fully funded for them, and you want to help them achieve that, then you can check that out. I mean, you can contact me at gianroberts.com, and I can give you the training that you need and the brochures that you'll need to talk them through this process of transitioning from living at home to living in assisted living and having that fully funded with the peace of mind knowing that they can have the help and the assistance that they need in their time of need, without the financial burden that goes along with that. Because it costs between $4,000 and $8,000 a month to be in an assisted living, depending on what part of the country you live in, what state you live in. And that being said, you can make, by working with these individuals, helping them transition into long-term care, you can make $5,000 to $10,000 a month, and I can show you how simply by setting up a discovery call with me on my website at gianroberts.com. That being said, let's go into how you use TikTok as how to use the black hat tools in TikTok, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, those type of things. The black hat tools that I'm going to share with you. To get a full list of tools and the top affiliate programs, you can go to gianroberts.com, click on that first link, sign up with your email, get this list for free, and also get my free mini course. There's also an option to upgrade to the pro version. I have a video that describes that and the benefits of that. So this is the bots. One of the bots in that list is this tool here, which allows you to automatically do things on Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and even Tumblr, it looks like. And so you sign up for this. It's free to sign up, and there's a paid version as well. But you sign up, you can get a free account. And let's say that you were going on TikTok, you would type in the hashtag that you're interested in, and then it will pull you up a bunch of different profiles on there and build you a list of profiles, and then you can send them messaging through this bot here. You can just, well, not messaging, but comments. You can set up comments on here so that you can automatically comment to those posts on that particular hashtag, and then as they reply to the comments, you can then ask them to, if they got more information about what you offer. So you build that conversation, and unfortunately I was trying to move my face out of the way, and you can see here just beyond my face that they commented, and then I replied back, and they replied back. And basically this is how you start this expand your network. You can ask them questions and make comments and have that automatically done through this bot, and then when they reply, you reply back with a manual message, and invite them to come check out your stuff. All right, so it's a very simple process, and it's a semi black hat, so do this at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. All right, so that being said, let's go into here. So now you really want to set up a whole system based on this process, and it's affiliate marketing, but it's affiliate marketing in a certain way. And so the first thing is to generate that list that I gave you for free. You're going to generate that for yourself. You're going to go to each one of those listings, each one of these listings here on the screen, and you're going to create your own affiliate link. And it's simply going to each of these web pages, clicking the bottom of the page where it says affiliate program, sign up for their affiliate program, answering the questions that they have, and then they give you an affiliate link. It's totally free. It just takes a little bit of time to set up a spreadsheet like this in Google Docs. All right, that being said, then you need to go get my mini course. My mini course will show you step by step how to do this. Plus, it will show you how to set up your email system so that you'll be able to respond to the people that sign up to your email list, which will be important later. And also set up a website so they have somewhere to go to. And also, you want to start creating videos, short form videos on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and do that. And inside the training, I give you instructions on how to format these videos, what to say in the videos, and a strategy for posting the videos so that you get the most views, along with the strategy I just showed you just now about using this bot tool to get more to build a larger network inside these communities and to do it on autopilot. That being said, the real strategy behind the strategy is to set up this email system, because you want to start collecting emails and you want a strategy for converting these emails into money, because each person on your email list is money to you. So what you do is you set up a format like this where they opt in, and then you send them a welcome message, and then you send them value, which is training on certain products or services, and then you offer that product or service, so forth and so on until you get to a higher value. This will increase your EPC, which is your earning per lead, on your email list. That being said, you want to build the relationship with people on your email list. So I hope that helps you out. That's the method for using TikTok and Instagram and Facebook, and using the Black Hat tools to do so, to build your community, to build your influence, and to get more people into your funnel so that you can make more money and profits and cash flow so that you can leave your 9 to 5 early and retire young. All right. That's going to do it for this podcast. I hope that you enjoyed it. I have another link to another video that you might enjoy, so click on that and continue watching. I hope that you join my mini course and leave your comments below. I'll answer them in the next video. All right. Have a great day.